Hey guys, today I'm doing a tutorial and I'm going to teach you how to add the lens flare effect to any of your pictures. If you don't know what the lens flare effect is, it's basically like this. Take a normal picture and turn it to glowing eyes. I just used an example of one of my friends and I asked him and he said I could use this. So what I'm going to be doing first is go to the App Store and look up not PicsArt, and download this. Okay, this is the app where you're going to do all the editing on. Okay? I don't really want to update it right now, but yeah. Once you get PicsArt, just go click on it and it'll load like this. Okay? Now, what you're going to do is press the plus icon. It's going to bring up your most recent pictures. Okay? I took a picture of Bill Gates off the internet to use him, and I'll show you. So there's Mr. Gates right there, and we're going to turn him into glowing eyes Bill Gates. You can turn him into any meme you want. So what you're going to do is you're going to scroll over until you find the lens flare right here. Okay? It's right in the middle, if you can see it. So click on lens flare, and you get to choose any of these. My favorite one to use is the blue one, because it's just the easiest. You can use any of them, work really well though. But you're going to want to expand it. And then you can twist it. I like to have it be even screen, and then put it right over his eyes. You can put it anywhere, but I like to do this to add like a contrast to make it look cool. So I'm going to make that a little bit bigger. I want to be able to cover the eye. Kind of. You can see his eye still a little bit, but it'll cover it up in the end. I'm going to go and do another lens flare and add that in really quick. Really simple. See how it blends together, both of them? There we go. There's lens flared Bill Gates. And then you can add something like Bill Gates with another breakthrough. I don't know if that's a good meme idea, but if it works, then there you go. But you can turn this into memes or thumbnails for your video. I'm gonna use this as the thumbnail for my video. I'm probably gonna edit it a little bit more. But if you want to see any more tutorials on how to get different thumbnail things, or I want to try and do iMovie tutorials or something, then comment and tell me what you would like a tutorial of, or if you found this helpful, and I'd love to make another one. Okay?